Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you guys have a Dodge Challenger and you're trying to find where the fuse for the airbag control module is located, guys, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. One thing that you should do every time you replace or remove that fuse, guys, common mistake people make that can actually get you hurt, and it can actually lead to really expensive repairs that cost thousands of dollars. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Now consider this entertaining video only, not a how-to video. Why? Because if you're not certified and qualified to work on airbag systems, do not do it. Just take it to your professionals, because those things can explode, they can kill you. If you want to see how to reset airbag light, we'll have the video on the channel as well. So let's talk about that now. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So most people will actually, guys, open the hood first. V6, V8, it's the same. And when they do, they will check in that fuse box. But that fuse box here is mostly for engine management. It's not here. So where is that fuse for the airbags? You can see car was in a little bit of an accident here. So we'll need to work on airbags, guys, okay, and stuff like that. So we have two fuses that we need to check. Now, if you need to reset airbag light or access every computer system in your Dodge Challenger or any car, this computer is amazing. I'll put the link in the description of the video below, where you can find more about it, check price, features, but it can pay itself off practically in one-time use. We'll come towards the back right here. Check this thing out. Now we're going to go ahead, open the trunk. Beautiful lights, by the way. And when we open the trunk, you lift that cover for the trunk and you get to your spare tire, car battery and fuse box here. When working on airbag system, it's recommended to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before repairs. Okay, at least 1 hour. And now on these modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first, reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can, guys, cause damage to modules, computers, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. How we know that? Due to the fact, okay, that we actually made that mistake and it cost us $2,000. We'll go ahead, remove that fuse box cover here like that and pull it to the side. Now let's talk about that now, guys. Okay, first, guys, why it's super important to test fuses? Because sometimes, guys, it's not easy to see if a fuse is burnt. If the fuse looks good and you put it back in but it's burnt, that may end up terrible, because you just spend time and money on parts that you didn't need. So test fuses. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. So all that, guys, okay, is for your convenience. So where is that fuse now, okay, for the airbag module? You actually, guys, have two of them. So which two fuses we need to check? Let's explain that thing now. The two fuses that we need to check now, if you come, guys, okay, right here, we'll need to be looking for fuse number 58, F58. So do not do that, but I'll go ahead and remove one relay. Okay, that relay is 30. This is actually for accessories. Run relay. And if you look, guys, at that 58 fuse that you have right here, it's a 10 amp fuse. That fuse in that fuse block, the first one from right to left. If you start on this side, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This fuse needs to be checked. Then you have one more fuse that needs to be checked. That's for airbag module as well, guys. Okay, and we are talking about fuse number 65. 65 is this fuse here. So these two fuses, 10 amp fuses, are for airbag control module. Never work on it, guys, if you're not qualified and certified. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.